Hello YouTube, this is Mahesh from MahiTech's channel, and today we are going to see about how to mirror Android phone in the Windows PC the easiest way. So for this we need to download a GitHub project. So the link is in the download description. You just open this file and go to the releases and download the latest version. For us the latest version is SCR-CPY Windows 64-bit version 1.12.1. So I have already downloaded this file. So you just click here and download the file. So now go to this PC, downloads, and I have already downloaded it. So I am going to just copy this file and place it in the desktop. Then I am going to extract this file. So we have a folder now. We have a folder. Inside we have ADB and screen copy files. So now to connect your Android phone, you need to connect the phone with the USB data cable. And not only connecting with USB data cable, you need to enable USB debugging. So how do I enable USB debugging? Just go to settings in your mobile phone, select about phone, and from there select the build number and tap 7 times there, and after that you go back to the settings and you can find a new option called developer options. From there you go inside and enable USB debugging. So that's it, very simple. So now what I am going to do is I am going to run screen copy now. So right click on the file and select run as administrator, and yes, since no device is connected, it should throw a error for us. Yes, error ADB push return with value 1. So no device is connected. So just type enter. So now I am going to connect my Android phone with the USB cable. So once if I connect, I will receive a notification message like allow USB debugging. So I am going to just click allow now. So now I allowed my USB debugging in my Android phone. So now I am going to go and right click SCR-CPY and run as administrator, and yes. Now you can see my screen has been mirrored. As you can see here, my screen has been mirrored. So now I will show you how can you enable USB debugging. Go into the settings of your mobile phone, go into about phone. From there you can find build number, tap it 7 times, go back, go to system and developer options, and from there enable USB debugging. Next what we are going to see is how can we copy the clipboard of the system to the mobile phone. So it's very easy. For example, I am just going to open a notepad, and here I am going to just type copy text, and I am going to select the text and copy. So now we will go into our mirror, select Google Chrome, and then I am going to paste the file. Can you see? The copy text is copied. Another thing that you can do with this is we can record the mirror image or mirror screen capture of the mobile. So how can we do this? This is very simple. First you need to enable command prompt window in your screen copy location. To do this, just click on the directory bar and type cmd and hit enter. As you can see, we have gained a command prompt here in the scrcpy folder. scrcpy record space file name .mp4 and just hit enter. As you can see, we have got a new session and we can record this session. As you can see, I am just opening the settings app, going into about phone, and then just looking at the specs of the phone, coming back again, going into battery section just simply to show you, and then I am going to just unplug my phone. Why unplug the phone? Because if I just now press Ctrl+C to stop the video record, the recorded file will crash. So to avoid that, I am going to unplug my phone. Once I unplug the phone, everything is closed. So now you close everything and you can see video.mp4 in the location. Just open the file and we can verify it is working. What we did, we went into settings app, checked the specs, and then checked the battery stats. So everything has been recorded successfully. So this is very easy to mirror your Android screen in your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.